morning to one and all present here. Today, class 9 is here to perform a small act on the topic gadget de-addiction. So let's start with a small role play.
Misha is glued to her phone and Manav sitting beside her and tries to get her attention.
Hello, Misha, hello. Hello, miss. You have been staring at your phone since forever. What's so interesting?
I am watching reels. Did you see this one?
You said just one more, like 10 minutes ago. You have been watching reels since breakfast.
I know, but they were so addictive. I think I am done, but they were hilarious one.
Misha, you are in doom scrolling.
Doom scrolling when you can't stop watching endless reels, videos or bad news on your phone. Even though it wastes your time, that's called doom scrolling. It happens when you get stuck in a loop of endless content.
Oh, you are right, Manav. I stuck in the reel zone.
Yes, you are in doom scroller now.
Naira and Midhavi are sitting at a table having a coffee break. Naira pulls out her phone, scrolling through reels excitedly.
Hi Bobby, what's your Insta handle? I just found the funniest reels. I want to DM you. Oh Naira, I am not on Instagram right now. Okay, what? No Insta? But you were on it last week. What happened? Yeah, but I decided to take a digital detox. Digital detox? What's that? Some sort of tea?
Digital detox, when we take a break from social media, gadgets and all that endless scrolling. We all know how easy it is to get glued to our phones, right? Totally. Sometimes we were so lost in our mobile phones, we forgot what's happening around us. Midhavi log off Instagram and ditch reels for a while to focus on other things. Like, actually, getting some work done, maybe picking up a hobby, or just enjoying life without constant notifications. Sound kinda refreshing. Maybe Naira should give it a try too.
Okay, that actually sounds interesting. Maybe I should try it right after this one last week. Oh Naira, that's what all this.
So, if you keep doom scrolling like Naira, maybe a digital detox is exactly what you need to recharge. Remember, if you can't stop watching reels or checking your phones, you might be doom scrolling. And if you want a break, try a digital detox to clear your mind. Get ready for the pledge.
I pledge today to use gadgets wisely and in a healthy way. I do not let screens control my time, but use them with purpose and balanced mind.
I promise to spend
More time with family and friends. To play, to read, and let my creativity extend. I will take breaks, give my eyes rest, cause my health and focus deserve the best. I will use technology to learn and grow, but not let it rule my day-to-day flow. I choose real life over virtual space to live with joy, mindfulness and grace. This is our pledge for a balanced digital life. Useful servant, but a dangerous master. Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I want to talk about the topic gadget de-addiction. Gadgets have become our constant companions. They help us to stay connected, learn new things, and even relax. But when we start spending too much time with them, they can silently harm our health, relationships, and studies. So let us share a few eye-opening facts with you. According to a recent survey, children and teenagers spend an average of 7 to 9 hours a day on screens, far away the healthy limit. The World Health Organization has officially recognized gaming as a mental health disorder. Studies show that excessive screen time can lead poor concentration, eye strain, increased anxiety and sleep problems. Did you know the blue light from screen reduces the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for good sleep? But the good news is we can change this. Start with small steps, take 60 steps every day. Even 30 minutes without a screen can refresh your mind. Fix a screen curfew before bedtime. Replace screen time with hobbies like playing outside or spending time with friends and family. Let's remind ourselves, real life happens offline. Gadgets are amazing too, but only when we are in charge of them, not the other way around. So today, let's make a promise to live more mindfully, reduce screen time and reconnect with the world around us. Thank you and have a gadget-wise joyful return.
गैजेट के गुलाम बन गए हैं, जिनका खो चुके हैं होश, जिनका खो चुके हैं होश, रात होते थकान इतनी मानो हो जाते हैं बेहोश।
नोटिफिकेशन आते ही ऐसा लगता है जैसे मानो दुनिया पलट गई हो।
अरे वाह, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे 5 लाइक्स और बढ़ गए।
ये तो थी डिजिटल भारत की कहानी, पर क्या आपको याद है पहले का जमाना,
जब जीवन था थोड़ा आसान और दोस्ती थी थोड़ी गहरी। जीवन एकदम सरल था, फोन का अस्तित्व ना था,
साथ सब रहते थे,
बातें मन की कहते थे।
पहले का जमाना।
पहले माँ की कहानियाँ बच्चों को हंसाती थी, रोते बच्चों को बाहों में सुलाती थी।
और आज का जमाना,
अब फोन घुमाकर चुप कराती है माँ, माँ की कहानी मोबाइल पे चुप जाती है।
पहले का जमाना,
पहले पापा अखबार पढ़ते और न्यूज डिस्कस करते,
और आज का जमाना,
न्यूज ऐप स्क्रॉल कर लेते हैं, बात भी नहीं करते।
पहले का जमाना,
बैट बॉल उठा बच्चे चल पड़ते क्रिकेट खेलने ग्राउंड में।
और आज का जमाना,
ग्राउंड में बच्चे तो हैं लेकिन बैट बॉल की जगह मोबाइल फोन ने ले रखी है।
पहले का जमाना,
पहाड़ों पे जाते थे, मूवमेंट को एंजॉय करते थे।
और आज का जमाना,
अरे वाह, यह